all of you over here and perform yoga. I'm a mental health professional representing Nimans Hospital, and yoga is researched as well as looked at as an important tool to help improve mental well-being. I guess all of you already have experienced 1 hour without technology, 1 hour without your phones, 1 hour just in the nature, and I believe all of you have experienced some calm. Yoga is not just asanas and pranayama as you have seen over here. It's a tool to help you reduce the stress in your mind. And how does that happen? I think all of you have tablets, laptops. Yes? No? You all work on tablets and laptops? Computers? So you have a number of apps, right? The more number of apps, the computer slows down. It doesn't work. So more number of thoughts in your head, your mind slows down. You're not able to think. You're not able to take decisions. So yoga is a tool which helps you slow down. So if you see your breath, if you see your thoughts, you have less number of thoughts now. You have lesser thoughts about what you're going to be doing unless I remind you right now, what next. So this is a tool which possibly will help reduce the apps in your brain, the thoughts in your brain, so that you can focus better, you can help improve your mental health and reduce your stress. So I think the crux of International Yoga Day is to focus on yourself and reduce the number of thoughts. I congratulate the entire administration of Trio World School for putting up such a beautiful event. And I also acknowledge the work of all the teachers over here and the parents who have come here. I think you're doing tremendous work in nurturing your young children. And it is a lot of effort to balance work and life in today's life. And along with teaching children yoga, I think you should be taking out some time for yourself. Otherwise, it gets a little too much for your own mental health and stress. So yoga, even 5 minutes, just the last pranayama that Jiva ma'am taught, I think if you do it just for 5 minutes in between, whenever you feel that, oh God, things are a little too much and I can't manage, if you can just sit for 5 minutes, switch off and breathe and focus on your breathing, I think you will open your eyes to take a better decision in your day-to-day life. So please focus on yourself. Take care of your mental health, and I think yoga is the tool. Even if it's done just for 5 minutes, not for 45 minutes, it is the way forward for all of us to take care of our mental health. So happy International Yoga Day, and I hope you take yoga as the superpower and the super slogan that you take back home, to your classrooms, to your work, to help you deal with your stress.